In my video guide, I'll give you recommendations that will help you to get rid of fake Windows support alerts that come from the fake Windows website. The website is windows.net, but this is a fake site. It's not related to Windows. In brief, this is a fake Security Center alert, also known as fake Windows Defender Security Center message. So it quotes this fake Windows support number +1 689 698 9724. You shouldn't interact with these fake alerts, and of course you should not call this fake number. There are some online hackers who actually stand behind these pop-ups, and they try to make you pretty scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into calling this fake number. And then if you call it, they'll try to make you waste money in their favor. Don't ever do that. Don't trust these fake alerts. I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.